Ready to ditch those clunky keyboard controls and experience the thrill of realistic racing on your PC? Let's get that Thrustmaster T300 connected. First, grab your T300 wheelbase. Locate the power port on the back. It's usually a circular connector. Plug in the power cable and connect the other end to a power outlet. Next, find the USB port on the back of the wheelbase. This is how the wheel communicates with your PC. Plug one end of the USB cable into this port. Now, head over to your PC, find an available USB port, preferably a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port for optimal performance. Plug the other end of the USB cable into this port. Before you start racing, you'll need the correct drivers. Head to the Thrustmaster support website. I've put a link in the description below for easy access. Find the drivers for the T300 series and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you restart your computer when prompted to ensure the drivers are properly installed. Finally, go to your Windows Game Controllers panel to confirm the wheel is recognized. You should see the T300 listed with an OK status. Calibrate your wheel if necessary. And that's it. You're now ready to calibrate the wheel on your desired racing game and get racing. Enjoy the immersion and improved control. Happy racing!